Alright, my people, Noel here again, and today is day number 2, or 24, well, less than 24 hours later, and I am back here at the venue where the contestants are. Last night did hectic, no joke, no lie, last night did hectic. And just few teams did hectic, but just few teams alone did get eliminated and thing. And now I'm there about the next day, and I'm gonna see how the line look. It kind of still look full. I'm gonna zoom in just a bit. It kind of still look full. So I wonder to myself right now if anybody did actually get eliminated, because no way. I lie. Kind of look kind of scanty in a way, empty in a way. But no way so much people make it to the next day. Them people are rough and tough then for real. Because all along me I said to myself, say, by the time I forward today, nobody look with the people I got there. But surprisingly, a good amount they are same way and them out and about. No lie. Yo, I forgot to talk to a few of them. But before I do that, I circle around and see where the line look like. What the lineup look like and things.
Hot music, hot.
Alright, we'll see.
Yes.
Alright, what about family affairs there? See him here. My boss there, see him here.
Check.
Alright.
Check.
Nah, like the competition look at same way. In terms of the sun and the people them. Like them I say, yo, I have to win $1 million, yeah. I can't make $1 million go to waste just like that. I just go away just like that. It appears, look at them, I try to start out something. Look at them suit, them I do something now. So I'm soon go talk to some people when they finish do what they might do. Oh, go on.
Yeah, still there.
You're still there. Alright, that is good, that is good. I'm not lie, on a rough. On a rough for real. It's a real competition this guys. Can you even have a hat out there? It's a cover here. I realize enough teams drop out still. Okay. Alright, quick thing, tell me how last night go.
Yeah, last night it's rough enough. Last night we do a piece of challenge there.
Yeah.
Supligen says. All people get kicked out in about 22, almost half, more than half. I can't have to call back some people. Yeah, man, just can't kill people. Can't kill people.
How comes?
Why can't them say? Them take out too much one time, man, so them carry back some people. Yeah, man. Big white.
Alright, man. Well, I say my boss still there.
Yes, I will not give up until we receive
the
$1 million.
How bad or no bad? I not lie, the sun rough out here.
Rough, man. I met my team captain say something still. Team captain.
But they outside that the sun hot. I take the sunburn for what? $1 million. I give you we come back home with the money.
Right.
We are we are coming. Meow meow. We are coming with the money.
Yeah, they said the cat are going with the money. The dinosaur cat. Alright. Last night I talked to you, I say still there live in action. The resting face gone now though. Talk to me. It's not gone?
It just put away for some seconds.
Just put away?
Yes.
Alright, you look like you do good still. This is a phone team?
Yeah.
Alright. No, you're not part of that team?
He's not a part.
So comes that two on you?
No, because our next partner did not came, so we do the game together.
Okay. Alright. Just go on with it out and compete against men, so I know it's hard. But
yes, and after a tricky question a while ago, I wonder about that tricky question when they ask me. Yes.
So if you get the question wrong, them eliminate you, no?
I'm not sure, but I feel like it.
Okay. Alright. Yeah. I'm talking to you now. How the sun are deal with you?
Hot man.
Yes, sir.
Hot.
As it should be. So, if rain starts fall, that'll be the best thing right now.
Best thing.
But
I'm happy if rain starts fall. Right?
But if rain starts fall, it's going to get dirty.
Me no business.
We're not go.
Me no business. You can always get a perk and go bathe.
But at least the competition I turn up more.
Yeah, man.
And more people drop out.
Yeah, man.
And the
Me
quicker
want to hear it. Me want to hear it.
And the quicker people drop out and the quicker
Quicker we
somebody
can
go
go
home.
home and get a good little beer and sleep. And, you see me?
Okay. Alright. Yeah, my sister is still there.
What is it? What on?
My sister is still there. I think gonna jump out.
No, man, jump out and man, we road to 1 million, you know.
We'll win.
I take it to home.
Boost them up.
Alright.
Boost.
Alright, mad. Yo, talk to me. What is I do with you? Oh no.
Hey, I like where I get kicked out, man. I feel it.
I lie at
I
you.
swear that.
That can't go on. That can't go on. How comes?
That me and say, no, they can't take away this team in this group leader, make some man say Sabotage and something, but we
Check. Contestants, are you ready? Contestants,
I think I saw the game stay.
Yeah, so it's there, man. Maybe leave us away. We're grateful for the opportunity and thing.
Look at the lowest value.
We're grateful for it.
Jenny, so we're good?
Alright, mad thing.
We're good?
Yeah.
Good, right?
Oh, go. Oh, which one is? I want to say there. Let me go walk again.
Information,
Back
please.
a walk in after you, man. Back a walk in.
Can them want to jump out quick?
Well, I mind them people that jump out and just give them in
Ready? Social media persons, you ready?
Well, know that already.
Videographers, you ready?
I'm going to ask somebody for you. Yo, you must say if you can't jump out now. Who that?
This is
Invite
the
us up.
moment that we're waiting on. You ready?
Not gonna win.
Alright, so you going for the gym?
When you come prepared.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Don't know we have to boost it up, because right now the place hot, you know.
Yeah, what way is your
Alright.
team?
Team right
Yeah, man, definitely.
Outside
Alright.
making millions, you know.
I said I go with the millions.
That is it.
How not split it up?
Even Steve.
Even? No 50-50 then 900 to one person.
No, man, everybody
Let's
get
go.
them changing and
Alright,
things.
then I'll move here
So,
now.
I've asked you guys a question now. You talk about
Alright, my people. So there you have it. I get to talk to a few of the contestants.
nice
And
people.
them I say
Remember,
them I say them good.
Supligen
Basically what I hear them I say them good.
negativity.
The sun and nothing for them and the competition are just how them want it to be. And them still active and still ready. So them definitely are going for the $1 million. So you know say
That's it.
them money are
Sabotage.
determined and them money are used to them things. This is nothing for them. Probably if they go 1 week, if they go 1 week, then probably go 1 week. But
Remember now,
only one team alone
listen
can win. So
carefully.
let's see how it goes.
If your team number don't call with the bunch of Sabotage numbers that are here now, there's a bunch of Sabotage and a bunch of help. If your team may I call Sabotage first. You see, if your team number don't call, you'll be granted a free 5 minutes to leg off the platform and walk around within the middle. The drone will be watching. You can't go to the bathroom, you can't go to the kitchen, you can't get no water, you can't get nothing. You have to just move around yourself. You understand what I say? You move around yourself, you walk around yourself, you stretch your leg and you exercise. Alright? You see the one that said Sabotage, you stick to the trophy. So the teams that don't hear a number, step off from me. Just step step up like 2 steps away or 5 steps away. Let go the trophy, man. Can let go. The teams that don't hear a number call, let go.
Yeah.
The teams that said hell. You know you said hell. You never hear a number call yourself. So listen to me now. Listen, relax. Listen to me, Keem.
Yeah, I'm afraid for Lego.
Well, I know this one only can free up on the hand too. Listen to me, Keem. Listen, contestant. Listen, the number that I called a while ago. It's
Freedom.
32, 11, 26, number 9.
So, want to select again?
Number 4,
Help.
46.
Oh, so that means that who they are going to sabotage each other? Okay. Alright.
The entire team supposed to hold up.
Yeah, we had to pay a 5-minute break.
This is where
Sleep in a 5 minutes on the backside is. Yeah, that man just said we're going to sleep in a 5 minutes. At first, I hear that one, yeah.
This is where it get more intense. The teams that hold on to the trophy, holding the tax same here, stretching the tax same here, want to sell it independently. The general already on the platform can come down, I want to make sure the sewer go on.
Eh?
The teams will hold the tax same way. Want to hold the tag like a line. See that? See them show you the hold the tag like a line.
Yeah.
Stretch like a line, holding the tag same way.
Ready?
Stretch like a line
1,
holding your tax same way.
2,
Alright?
3,
Stretch like a line
4,
holding your tax same way.
5,
Stretch.
6. Alright.
Stretch.
Amen.
Stretch.
Give me one. No.
On the tax holding the line same way.
Alright, I'll show you how it's done. We'll see then. We'll see then. Okay, that's a 1. That's a 1.
So, I should have won the $1 million. Would you help or sabotage them? It's a challenge.
Alright people, so
The
see there,
competitors
the
have
one and
spoken.
only Supligen. This is Flavor
These
Irish
competitors
Moss
on the
and thing.
platform are
Get a
spoken.
photo of this real quick.
Remember,
And
Supligen
thing.
is all
Oh
about
right,
cleanness.
them man they are same way.
Remember, Supligen deal
Active.
with realness.
And them man they on phone call. What go on? Man, this is a phone call look a bit. Yeah, use a 5-minute break for talk to your people them.
We don't do that at Supligen.
When they know say you still out for the $1 million and you come home with
That
it.
is why Supligen say for the 50th
Alright,
anniversary
man.
they're gonna actually give away back $1 million.
Alright, so
How
them
far
man
come
send
it
home a team, you know.
Spanish Town,
Them man send home a
Spanish Town.
team.
a couple of hours, then so that bite sleep and then sitting.
Alright, so I don't know if I said it earlier, but what them do earlier today was to ask each and every team one question, sabotage or help.
Are you
And
ready?
then what them do
Are you
is
ready?
everybody or every team that
The judges
chooses
has made their
sabotage
decision.
has to remain here and hold on to the platform still. And
Are
then
you
everybody else will choose help,
Are you
then
ready?
make them release from the podium
If you're ready,
and
say
walk
ready.
around and do what they want to do. in
If
the
you want to hear
meantime.
who's going on,
And what they
say
want to do
ready.
now is them might decide which
If you want to
team,
hear who are going on,
the
say
judges
ready.
them are decide which
Team
team them are
46.
release for go home
You're
today.
safe.
They're gonna release one team now. They might do it now. I think they make them sabotage each other and eliminate each other instead of
The judges have spoken.
the judges them choose, you know? But
Referees
that's how
make
they
the
might do.
decision. Spectators want.
Wait, why look at the team and they must
Who
send
can tell
home?
us here you?
What if I read them, they must send home? I
When
can't
you
them.
talk up loud, I can't hear it. Who can tell us here you are going?
I can't them a choose. I can't them.
Who can
Why
tell
we
us here
feel
you
that
are
way?
telling? So who can tell us here she's safe.
Sigh of relief. A sigh of relief.
So who
I
can tell
say
us
I feel
here?
it.
Think about Instagram. So who can tell us here you literally start crying in front of me? So who can tell us here crying in front of me? And that's why I couldn't make our pressure go up the money. I'm literally have to open up and tell her the truth.
I forgot to highlight that they have ambulance here in case anybody drop down from standing so long or
Alright.
from being in the
So-
extreme heat. Yeah. Oh no,
We're
number
getting the full
9.
answer.
Oh
The judges
no.
have made a choice.
Number
Nothing can
9.
be done.
The judge them can't do that.
No, it's fine, bro. It's actually okay.
You know me think them shall do?
Huh?
Them me think them shall make
The
sabotage
answer
each
was
other right there, sir.
if
Than
the
the judge
team-
choose. What do you think?
Should have won.
Me think
and-
say them shall make the judge,
and
I mean,
$1 million
sabotage
winning
everybody will
sabotage.
sabotage each other.
And the rest of
Them
you,
never decided
who's
for that,
only
so
now
we
right
not
now
really
said
argue with it
sabotage.
still. So.
Okay.
Just
have
have
3,000 in the team. Two said sabotage.
Alright, but you don't go on good
majority
still.
counts.
You don't go on good from last
Alright.
night to now.
If-
Yeah. Yo, what's going on? And number 7 is eliminated. Ja, no, them can't believe it.
After so much hours.
Him saying hope of intro some people go on, but unfortunately, he's going home.
Ja, no.
The judges have spoken. Number 7. Hold on. Hold on.
Man,
Alright,
Yeah.
so number 7.
why explain to me?
I
Come
think
see
that
I
make
can
a
ring up your
decision.
scarf.
Every
I
day
don't
on
do something I
and
wanna go.
so
What do you
in the
want?
meantime, DJ
Yeah,
Sugar
around
Bunch,
12:30 we had
DJ
I authorized a
Bunch.
shower break, and it was 12:37 that I came back, which was in the allotted shower time. So I don't really see how that would be grounds for disqualified.
I need a few more seconds. You just go say this and come back. You need to go far.
Yeah. But we had a 15-minute bathroom break, and I come
Yeah.
back at before the 15 minutes. So
Yeah.
I don't really see how that would be a disqualification.
They want to make stay still, because I them give no permission to go anyways. You know? Yeah. Alright people, so apparently there's about 27 teams leave back right now. So 27 from 50 teams in less than 24 hours, they might go on good. In terms of like the production team, they might go on good. Because I look a bit 27, but no, I expect that look up them. I think I did Wallet more than there. Because it look like Wallet to me. But 27, alright. That means that later on in the evening, they might cut back even for more and more people. Alright, so 2 female. I realize that they make the female them allow them to go bathe. Which makes sense, because they're female. They have to. The male them can shower too? I lie, we never know that. So you are allowed to go and bathe if you want. We never know. I never know that word apart there, but I'm for bathing in a 10-minute door, which is easy 1-2 for bathing in 10 minutes. But that's only if you're used to the bathing space. But I just time yourself when going soap up, just wash out your arm in your front and you're good. Because you go back in the sunlight and in the dirt anyways. Like for example, see there? You go back and sit down in the dirt and the grass. So you have to just wash the essentials. Yeah, the man them tired. So the man them tired, they have a sleep like this. We do this. Okay.
Jesus Christ. Somebody on TikTok like no one go on. Hey, and it's serious and you're not going nowhere.
You're not going nowhere.
Alright people, so right now it is after 1, almost 2 p.m. and I still 27 team left. Nobody is like eliminated as yet. Only 1 team alone my witness I get eliminated. Wait, I probably 26 team left actually. Because I come say 1 team, when we reach 1 team get eliminated, unfortunately. Anyways, I'm not stay, I go home now. I maybe tune in back later, or maybe done the video now and come back tomorrow when the winner I get announced, or when the line gets smaller, or the ring gets smaller. Yeah. So if the video finished, that means that's a wrap for today's video, and tomorrow I'm going to tune in back again once more. But I don't know, maybe, as I said, maybe come back later in the night or evening tonight and capture some more. But for now, right? Oh, out there now. Alright. Salute. So them are the only team who get eliminated today, my people. Unfortunately. Them are go home and know one thing. Yeah.